Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of DropBox weekly settings. In this page, you click on Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. In this list, you search about DropBox. Here in this page, you click on First Stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on Clear Cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching and your